There's a moment, a tiny moment, every single day, right between your first breath after waking up and the first thought that hits your mind. A space so small that most people never notice it. A doorway so subtle that the world overlooks it. But that moment, that silence, is the exact place where your entire life begins shifting. Not through hustle, not through forcing success, not through chasing love, money, or validation, but through alignment. The invisible switch inside you, the switch you have forgotten how to turn on. Today, we turn it on. Because what if I told you that the next 5 minutes could change the way you feel, think, manifest, and move through the world? Not because of magic, but because of realignment. This isn't just meditation. This is your reset button, your energetic calibration, your silent revolution. So sit down, close your eyes, and let's begin the 5-minute practice that your future self has been begging you to start. The truth about energy. You were never told. Most people think meditation is just sitting quietly, but meditation is not the act of silence. Meditation is the act of realigning your inner frequency. Your body is energy. Your thoughts are energy. Your emotions are energy. Your intentions are energy. Your manifestations are energy. But here's the twist nobody talks about. You can't manifest anything when your energy is scrambled. You can't attract love when your heart feels heavy. You can't attract money when your mind is in chaos. You can't attract peace when your nervous system is in survival mode. The world has conditioned you to force results. But energy only aligns when you release force and return to your natural frequency. This 5-minute daily ritual is the path back to your natural state. Not the state society shaped. Not the state trauma created. Not the state stress pushed you into. Your original energy, your original clarity, your original power. And once you return to that, life begins responding to you differently. People feel your presence. Opportunities start opening. Manifestations come faster. Your emotions calm down. Your intuition sharpens. Because you're no longer fighting the world. You're flowing with it. The first breath, releasing the energy you're holding. Close your eyes for a moment. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your stomach. Now breathe, slowly, deeply, as if every inhale is polishing your soul and every exhale is washing away the heaviness. You'll notice something immediately. Your mind isn't quiet. Thoughts will explode like fireworks. Scenes from yesterday, fears for tomorrow, random flashes of memories. They'll all try to pull you out of the moment. Here's the twist. This is not a sign of failure. This is a sign the healing has started. Your thoughts surface because they're finally being released. Your mind is rising to the surface to detox. Your energy is unclenching. Most people stop here, but not you. You continue breathing because your soul is waking up. Root alignment, the feeling of safety. Now bring your focus to the base of your spine. This is where your root energy lives, your safety, your stability, your groundedness. If you felt anxious recently, if you felt disconnected, if you've been overthinking, your root energy is trying to speak. Imagine a warm red glow beneath you, steady, strong, unshakable. With each breath, feel yourself becoming heavier, not tired, but grounded, as if the earth beneath you is holding your body the way a mother holds her child. Here's the twist. You don't find stability, you remember it. You were born stable. Life made you forget. Now you're remembering. Sacral alignment. Releasing stagnant emotions. Move your awareness slightly above to the center of your lower belly. This is your sacral energy, the home of emotion, creativity, sensuality, and flow. If you felt numb, blocked, overwhelmed, or disconnected from joy, your sacral is holding old emotions inside you. Visualize a soft orange light spinning slowly, like a sunset melting inside you. With every inhale, the light brightens. With every exhale, it melts away the pain you didn't know you stored. Here comes the twist. Your emotions were never the enemy. Holding them was. Energy wants to move. Today, you let it. Solar plexus alignment. the return of confidence. Now rise a little higher, to the space just above your stomach. This is your solar plexus, the seat of confidence, personal power, and the ability to take action without fear. If life has made you doubt yourself, if people have made you shrink, if experiences have dimmed your fire, this is where your inner sun lives, and it's waiting to rise again. Imagine a golden sphere glowing brighter every time you breathe in. Feel your spine straightening, your shoulders relaxing, your chest expanding. Here's the twist. Confidence isn't built, it's remembered. You were powerful before someone told you not to be, and now you claim your power back. Heart alignment, healing without force. Place your attention on your chest. The heart energy is the bridge between your inner world and the outer world. If you've been hurt, disappointed, betrayed, ignored, abandoned, your heart energy became guarded. But healing doesn't happen by forcing forgiveness. Healing happens when you allow softness. Imagine a soft green light opening slowly, like leaves unfolding in early spring. Feel its warmth. Feel its calmness. Feel the gentle release. Here's the twist. Your heart doesn't heal when you forget the past. Your heart heals when you stop fighting the memory. Today, you're allowing it. Throat alignment, finding your true voice. Bring awareness to your throat. This is your voice energy, the energy of expression, honesty, authenticity, and speaking your truth. If you've ever stayed silent when you wanted to speak, this energy has dimmed. Imagine a clear blue circle spinning gently, removing the tension from your neck and jaw. Breathe into it. Here's the twist. Your voice was never lost. You simply stopped trusting it. Today, it returns. Third eye alignment, awakening intuition. Now focus between your eyebrows. This is your third eye, the center of clarity, intuition, and inner vision. If you feel confused, unsure, or lost, this is the place that feels foggy. Imagine a deep indigo flame glowing here, piercing through the fog inside you. Every breath sharpens your intuition. Every exhale removes mental noise. Here's the twist. Intuition is not a superpower. It's your natural state before the world taught you to doubt yourself. And now, the fog lifts. Crown alignment, reconnecting to the universe. Finally, Monsieur, bring your attention to the top of your head. The crown energy is the gateway between you and the universe. When it opens, you feel guided, protected, connected, aligned. Imagine a violet light descending from above, entering through your crown and flowing through your entire body like a waterfall of pure cosmic clarity. Here's the twist. The universe was never outside you. It was always flowing through you. You just forgot how to feel it. But now, you feel the connection again. The final alignment. Becoming a frequency of calm power. Take one last deep breath and imagine all 7 energies aligning into a straight beam of light running from the base of your spine to the top of your head. This is you, your true self, your aligned self, your powerful self. In just 5 minutes, you have shifted your entire energetic field, not subtly, not slightly, not temporarily, but meaningfully. Here's the twist. Meditation doesn't change your life in one session. It changes you, and you change your life. A message to your future self. When you open your eye, you will not be the same person. Not because you became someone new, but because you returned to who you were always meant to be. Your energy is aligned. Your mind is quiet. Your heart is open. Your frequency is elevated. And tomorrow you come back for 5 more minutes. Because this isn't just a ritual, this is your transformation.